Whenever a formula requires two or more of the same polyatomic ion, parentheses are needed. Let's look at two formulas that use ammonium for our example. Ammonium is one of the few cations we will deal with that is not a metal cation. Pause the slide and write the formula for ammonium chloride and ammonium sulfide. When we write the formulas of ionic compounds, we must know the charges of the cation and anion. Ammonium has a charge of +1 and chloride has a charge of -1. Thus, these charges cancel out in a 1-to-1 ratio. And the formula for ammonium chloride is capital N, capital H, subscript 4, capital C, lowercase l. Looking at ammonium sulfide, sulfide has a charge of -2. Thus, the +1 charge of ammonium doesn't cancel out the -2 charge of sulfide. We need two ammonium cations for an overall charge of +2 to cancel out the -2 of the sulfide. However, if we write a subscript of 2 after the ammonium, the formula actually reads capital N, capital H, subscript 42, capital S, which means there is 1 nitrogen atom, 42 hydrogen atoms, and 1 sulfide atom. This is not the case. We don't have 42 hydrogens. We want to express that we have 2 ammonium cations for each sulfide. We accomplish this by placing the entire formula of ammonium in parentheses and then placing the subscript of 2. The correct formula of ammonium sulfide is written parentheses capital N, capital H, subscript 4, end of parentheses, subscript 2, capital S. This means there are 2 ammonium cations for each sulfide anion. Parentheses are needed only when there are 2 or more of the same polyatomic ion in a given formula.